welcome back friends. In today's video we are going to check out the KDE Desktop of NixOS. So let's start. Okay, so now we are logged into the KDE Desktop. So first thing we have to do is to correct the resolution of the screen. Okay, so we are greeted with this standard wallpaper of KDE. So this is the standard wallpaper from the KDE organization. There is nothing else. You have got this Discover app is there. You have got the file manager Dolphin. The Mozilla Firefox is there. System settings is there in the panel, and you have got this application menu here. On the right side, you have got the volume control. You have got the volume control. You have got the show hidden icons for status and notification, day, date, time, calendar, and the minimize windows, maximize windows. And you see this Discover app is not working, so this shortcut is not working. So you can see it is showing unknown application folder. So let us check whether the Discover app is there or not. I think they have removed the Discover app. Yes. So this is a major difference in the KDE Desktop here. There is no Discover software center here. In most of the Linux distros, they have the Discover software center whenever the KDE Desktop is there, but here it has been removed, and you have to install all your apps from the terminal. There is no any other way to install the apps. You can see here, or maybe you can install the Discover app later on from the terminal, but by default it is not there. So now let us check out the different applications that are available. So we will go section wise. So in the development section, you have got Kate. Kate is an advanced text editor. You have got graphics. In graphics, you have got Ocular document viewer and the G1 view, that is the KDE image viewer. In internet section, only Mozilla Firefox is there. In multimedia, you got the Elisa music player. In Office, you have got Ocular only. There is no Office suite like LibreOffice, OpenOffice, or any other Office suite is there. This only Office is also not there. Nothing is there. Settings, you have got only system settings. No any extra app is there for the settings. In the system, you have got this Dolphin file manager. The K info center is there. Console is there. K wallet manager is there. Manage printing is there. NixOS manual is there. System monitor is there, and the XTerm is there. So let us go one by one. Let us open the info center. So info center is not directly showing any information. You have to, it will open up the quick settings of the system settings, and then you have to click on about this system. So here you can see the KDE Plasma version is 5.24.5, KDE Frameworks version is 5.93, Qt version is 5.15.3, kernel version is 5.15.78, graphics platform is X11. So we are now logged into a Xorg session. And this is the hardware information about my desktop, and you can click here to show more information. So now I think the info center will open up properly. It is not opening up. There is some issue. You can see here it is not opening the info center of, that is the KDE info center is not opening up either from here, from the application menu, or from here. The button is there, so it is not opening up. So I think it has been disabled or something like that. So now what I will do is I will minimize this system settings. We will explore the system further, and now let us open the manage printer. This is the CUPS web interface that will be opened up. So it will open up a web page in Mozilla Firefox. So there is no HP Leap or any other brand specific application is there, like the HP Leap or brother also has got a small application for the printers. So that is also not there. So it's open up only the web interface of the Open Printing CUPS app. So now I will close this. Let us further check. Now let us check out the system monitor. So system monitor is also taking some time to open up. Okay, so the memory usage, now let us check. So it is stable at 991.5 MB. Use space is 6.8 GB, so it is a middleweight operating system, not on the lesser side, not on the heavy side. And the CPU usage is just hovering between 2 to 6%. So now you can see here the info center is working in the background, but it is not showing up on the screen. So it is not visible, but it is running in the memory. It is consuming around 103 MB right now. So now I will close this. We will go again back to the system. Now let us check out the NixOS manual. Anything different is there? So it is opening up in Mozilla Firefox. I think there is no PDF viewer is not there. So it will be opened only in the Mozilla Firefox. There is no PDF viewer given here, or else you can open up in Ocular. Now let us check out the version of Firefox. So the Firefox version is the latest, I think 106.0.5. So that's great. Now I will close this down. Let us check the utilities. In utilities, you have got the emoji selector, Kate is there, Kwrite is there. Kwrite is a text editor and Kate is an advanced text editor. And you have got a spectacle, that is the screenshot capture utility. Nothing else, very less applications are there by default. Everything you have to develop your desktop, you have to install all the apps that are necessary for you. So I think this is a standard KDE desktop that is being used in the NixOS. So there are three types of desktop, that is the minimal desktop, the standard desktop, and the third is the full desktop. So NixOS has decided to go with the standard KDE desktop. Other than that, nothing is there. So in one of the videos, after we check out all the desktops, in one of the videos I will show you how to install packages in NixOS, how to uninstall the packages in NixOS, and how to do other system settings and all those things from the terminal, shell, everything I will show you. So we will go one by one. I think there is nothing else to show. It is a very standard KDE desktop, nothing, no extra application, nothing is there installed by default. Only the bare minimum apps that come in the standard KDE desktop, those have been provided. But you can of course install more applications as per your choice, as per your requirements. Even the Discover Software Center is not there, so that is has been removed by default. So now with this I will stop the video here. In the next video we will check out the other desktops of NixOS. See you in the next video. Bye.